Hi everyone, and welcome to Share and Review. So today we're going to look at Turners Automotive Group. And before I jump across and show you the screen, just remember that this is for educational purposes only. It's certainly not specific advice for anyone. If you're looking for tailored advice, then obviously you do need to go and talk to your share broker or financial advisor. So let's take a look. Right, so I've got Turners Automotive Group up here on the screen. And the reason I wanted to talk to you about Turners is because if you are following my share trading signals, this was certainly one that came out at about the beginning of March. So that was sort of around here at that $4.80 level. At that level, it had hit this sort of line of support, resistance a couple of times, which can be a really good indicator that this share was perhaps going to break through and go on and do other things. However, last week I then got stopped out of that share, and I got stopped out at about $4.34. So sure, it's going to be about a 50-cent loss. But this is the idea. Not all shares are going to run on and be winners. And this is why it's also really, really important that you have a stop loss in place, that you know where your pain point is and where you want to exit. It was like something I was told very early in the game. If you use stop losses, you can then protect your capital and you can continue playing. Obviously, if you don't protect your capital and your stop losses or your shares keep running down, and I have done that before as well, then once you run out of capital, it's game over. You can't go in and do any more. So, I mean, that's not to say, going back to Turners, that they couldn't end up rallying again. You can see here they had a huge week last week, 2.69% down, which is huge. Why? I don't know, but that's not for me to reason. I just purely like to look at the charts and see what's happening. So you can see here I've also got the 15 and the 30-week moving average on, and Turners is trading below both of those. It hasn't crossed underneath them. It hasn't crossed underneath those moving averages yet, but it's certainly on a downward trajectory. And even if we look down here at the MACD, okay, both of these lines are signaling that they're on a downward move, and so is the RSI. So for me, it was just about protecting my capital back to the 2-year. I'll take these moving averages off, and just for a comparison, we'll put on here the NZX50 just to see how it's trading in relation to that. So in relation to the main board, it's still trading above it, which is a great positive sign. But that was only one of the indicators that I use. And like I said before, it has now moved trading below both of those moving averages. It hit my stop, and so that was why we exited the share. So anyway, I hope you're getting some value out of these. I love going on and doing a share and review, and I wanted to show you one that hasn't worked in my methodology. There's a number of others there that are working really well. So just really giving you a bit of education for those people that are following the trading signals that I send out every week as to why we were stopped out of Turners Automotive Group. So if you want me to do a share and review for yourself on another share that you're interested in, by all means, flick me a message. Or if you want to try the trading signals, again, the links are at the end of this video. So you're welcome to come along. There's a 30-day free trial period, and I'd love to get your thoughts as to what you think. So until then, have a great week. Thanks very much.